Today I'm about to share an untapped YouTube niche that's turning regular creators into money-making machines. This is your chance to dive into a brand new style of content that's blowing up right now. These videos are simple to create, highly addictive for viewers, and can drive tons of engagement and views. Just look at channels like Mr. Fukai, which gained over 70,000 subscribers with just a handful of short videos. His crime riddles are getting millions of views, and the comments are flooded with people trying to solve the mystery.
Why?
Because people love solving mysteries, and more comments mean more engagement, which pushes the video to reach even more people. Let's check out one of his videos.
If you can solve this riddle, you are in the 5% of the most intelligent people. This is the Japanese ship riddle. A Japanese ship was sailing in the Pacific Ocean. The Japanese captain of the ship put his diamond chain and Rolex watch on a shelf and went to have a shower. When he returned 10 minutes later, both the chain and the watch were missing.
Surprisingly, these videos are easy to create with free AI tools. So, don't skip any part of this video, because I'll be sharing a special tip that'll supercharge your views and engagement fast. Grab a coffee, settle in, and let's dive in. Step 1. Crafting the perfect riddle with ChatGPT. First things first, to hook viewers, we need a captivating riddle. But don't worry, you don't have to be a master storyteller or a detective. That's what ChatGPT is for. Let's start by generating a mystery riddle that'll keep viewers glued to the screen. Open up ChatGPT and copy the sample prompt I've included in the video description. Paste it into ChatGPT and watch it work its magic. It'll create a short, engaging riddle that teases the viewer's brain and leaves them wanting to know the answer. To keep things extra intriguing, ask ChatGPT to start the riddle with a challenge. Like, can you solve this mystery? Or only true detectives can crack this case. By adding a challenge, you're daring viewers to stick around to see if they can solve it. In seconds, we have a well-crafted riddle. Since we also need to know the answer, ask ChatGPT to generate it too. First pro tip, ask ChatGPT for 5 to 10 more riddles so you'll have plenty of options. Some will be good, others great, and one might just be that viral hit. Now that we have our riddle, let's generate our image prompts for the visuals. Open a new tab in ChatGPT, copy and paste your preferred riddle into the chat box, and then use the second prompt from the video description. This prompt asks ChatGPT to create descriptive image prompts for each part of the riddle. It took a lot of refinement to get the right prompt, but I finally did, and I made it available for you in the description. These prompts will help you generate the exact scenes you need for your story in the next step. If you followed along so far, hit that like button. It really helps this video reach other creators like you. And remember, don't skip any part of this video because I'll be sharing a tip later that can boost your views and engagement fast. Step 2. Image generation. Now that we've got our riddle, it's time to create visuals that give it that perfect mystery vibe. We'll be using Leonardo AI to generate the crime scene imagery that'll draw viewers in and add suspense. First, head over to Leonardo AI. If you're new, click the link in the description to sign up for a free account. It's quick and easy. Leonardo AI even gives you 150 free tokens daily, so you can get started at no cost. Once you're in, click on Image Creation and set the image dimensions to a mobile-friendly 9:16 aspect ratio, ideal for TikTok and YouTube Shorts. Copy the image prompts and paste them into Leonardo AI to generate images that match the suspenseful tone of your riddle. Repeat this for the other image prompts and you'll have a whole set of incredibly images ready to go. You're free to experiment with other AI image generators, like Piclumen or Ideogram, if you're curious to see different styles. Let me know in the comments if you've tried any other image generating tools. I'd love to hear which ones you're using. Step 3. Creating a suspenseful voiceover. Visuals alone aren't enough. You need a voiceover that hooks viewers and keeps them on edge. I recommend using 11 Labs or Microsoft Clipchamp to add that essential element of suspense to your riddle. Here's how. Once you're signed up for a free account, copy your riddle from ChatGPT and paste it into the text box. Choose a voice that fits the mysterious tone, something deep with a slightly raspy edge. My favorite is the voice Lewis, but feel free to try different options until you find one that works best. Click Save, and in seconds, you'll have a voiceover that brings the crime riddle to life. Once you're happy with it, click on Export and get ready to add it to your video. If you're finding these tools helpful, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on future AI content creation tips. Step 4. Editing the final video in CapCut. Alright, it's time to put everything together and turn your riddle into a polished, engaging video. For this, we're going to use CapCut. Start by importing your Leonardo AI images and the voiceover into CapCut. Set your video dimensions to 9:16. Perfect for YouTube Shorts and TikTok. Now arrange each image to sync with the narration. This way, the visuals match the flow of the story. And you can cut out pauses to make your video fast-paced. For background music, pick something suspenseful. You can find royalty-free music on the YouTube audio library or on sites like Pixabay. Adjust the volume to ensure it complements, rather than overpowers, the narration. Layer in sound effects such as footsteps or door creaking, directly from CapCut's built-in sound effect options. Also, add transitions and zoom effects using keyframes to make your video even better. Finally, for that intense look, add filters like vibrant or cold from CapCut's filter options. This gives your video an even darker tone, perfect for a crime mystery. If this tutorial is helping simplify the process, hit that thumbs up button. I'd love to hear how your crime mystery videos are turning out. And here's a final pro tip that'll help skyrocket your engagement. Don't reveal the answer to the riddle in the video. Instead, encourage viewers to comment their guesses. Say something like, "Think you know who the culprit is?" Drop your answer in the comments. I'll reveal the solution in 24 hours. This builds suspense, drives up engagement, and gives viewers a reason to come back. If you enjoyed learning how to create these high-engagement mystery riddle videos, please subscribe for more tutorials like this. Now, let's take a look at the video we just created and see the final result.
I bet you can't solve this mystery. Are you up for the challenge? Our story unfolds in a quiet neighborhood where Mr. Lawson, a retired detective, has been found dead in his home. No forced entry, no sign of a struggle, yet there he lies, with an empty coffee cup by his side and a single red rose on the table. The last person seen leaving his house was his gardener, Benny, who claims he only watered the plants. He insists he didn't even speak to Mr. Lawson that day. But then there's the neighbor, Mrs. Green, who swears she saw a light on in Mr. Lawson's study at 11 p.m., hours after he should have been asleep. The detective assigned to the case notices a few strange things. There's a fresh layer of dust on the handle of Mr. Lawson's door, except for a clean, distinct smudge, like someone had wiped it. His watch is lying on the floor, set exactly 3 hours behind the actual time. And then, tucked under the sofa, the detective finds a tiny, crumpled note with just 3 cryptic words. Time holds secrets. Who killed Mr. Lawson? Was it Benny, Mrs. Green, or someone else entirely? Comment below with your answer, and let's see who can solve the mystery.
And that's it. You now have all the tools you need to create captivating crime riddle videos that will hook viewers and keep them coming back for more. Before you go, did you know there's another viral content style out there that's helping creators earn thousands every month with AI-generated videos? Click here to check out my next video, and I'll see you on the other side.